Hey, welcome back to Jazz Time. JazzTime.com is an online store that buys, sells, and trades authentic luxury watches. We make these videos so you can easily choose the best watch for yourself in the comfort of your own home. We offer the lowest prices anywhere online, and if you'd like to know the price, simply click on the links in the description below. We greatly appreciate if you'd purchase your next watch from us at JazzTime.com. Today we're going to be looking at a special watch new from Richard Mille. This is the RM7201 Lifestyle Flyback Chronograph in titanium. This watch is currently in production and retails for $188,000 US. Market price on this watch is more at $300,000 right now in 2022. I'll be going over all the aspects of this watch, the case, bezel, dial, crown functions, as well as the movement and the strap, and I'll give some of my thoughts on the watch throughout the review. The RM7201 Lifestyle is a 47mm watch from top to bottom here. It's 38mm from left to right on this case, and it's about 12mm thick from front to back. The measurements for tonneau shaped watches are measured from top to bottom so as to not go over the measured wrist size. In this case, my wrist size is actually a mid-size wrist, and it should fit my wrist just fine. Let's go ahead and try it on for size. So on a mid-size wrist, this is what it looks like. 38mm side to side, and from top to bottom, it's 47mm. Fits perfectly. This watch is considered a unisex watch. The RM7201 is offered in 4 different materials. There's white ATZ ceramic, the black TPZ ceramic, rose gold, and also this grade 5 titanium with some rose gold accents here on the side where the ceramic pushers are. The case of this watch is made of grade 5 titanium on the front and the back of the watch, and on the left side of the case here. The middle of the case here on the right side has rose gold in it, along with the crown and pushers, and it's titanium on the left side. Chronograph pushers are ceramic, and the case is rated to 30 meters or 100 feet of water resistance. So you could go swimming with this watch on your wrist, but you're probably not going to go diving with it. Onto the bezel, or the front of the watch, it's grade 5 titanium, which is the most common grade of titanium. It's used for manufacturing products like aerospace, medical, marine, and chemical industries. The heat treatment strengthens it. And this bezel has a brushed finish going from top to bottom. The sides are beveled. You see like a little bit of a high polish on the sides for nice contrast. Now going in the dial, we see this unique skeletonized titanium dial with separate sub-dials for hours, minutes, and seconds. We can see the green counters here for the hours, orange for minutes, and blue for seconds. Hour and minute hands, there's a flyback chronograph that has a red tip chronograph hand. You can see that at the 12 o'clock position. If I press the top right pusher, you should be able to have that chronograph button flying back. Being that this is a flyback chronograph, I can actually push this bottom pusher and actually reset it back to the 12 o'clock, and it will continue running. Like so. And it's going to keep on running. You can start and stop this chronograph pusher with the top right button and reset it back to the 12 o'clock with the bottom right button. You're going to notice here that the only Arabic numbers that you're going to see on the dial are the 3, 8, and 11. The other hour markers are triangles, so you can see how skeletonized that titanium dial is. There's luminescence on this all the hour markers. You're going to see this lined with these little triangles here on the chapter ring. Those all light up. They all glow in the dark. And you're also going to see the date here at the 7 o'clock position. Date change is a really interesting look. Let's go ahead and operate that. And you're going to be looking at the 7 o'clock position for that date change to swap over. So you can see that. Yeah. Now if you actually adjust, pull this crown out to the furthest position, you can actually adjust the hour and minute hands. Once you have those hand set, you just pop it back down and your watch is set. The movement that runs this amazing watch is the first all-in-house movement by Richard Mille. That's the Caliber CRMC1. It has the hour, minute, center, seconds, and a date function. It also has the Flyback chronograph with a red tip second hand. The power reserve on this is about 50 hours, so you can set this watch down on a Friday night, pick it back up on a Monday morning. It's still going to be keeping time. It is self-winding, so the movement of your wrist is actually going to be winding the watch as well. The titanium bridges on this movement are skeletonized and coated, so you can see how amazing it looks. If you turn over this movement exhibition case back here at in the back, beautifully worked, and it's very modern. There's 425 components, and this movement is still only 6 millimeters thin. Now going on the strap that holds this watch, we're looking at a matching white rubber strap. Get it, it's hard for you to focus because I have a white background here. This titanium deployment is some butterfly deployment, actually spring deployment. It's nice and sturdy. You can order a variety of different color straps, but the white strap is what this watch comes with. As far as what I think about this watch, overall, this watch is a watch that a lot of people would like to keep on their wrist. It's a perfect watch to wear daily. It's got all the different complications. It's automatic, has a date. Now, the watch is easy for both males and females to wear. It's a unisex watch. Many of us expect a Richard Mille watch to be ginormous and huge, like we've seen in the past. But Richard Mille is offering something less sporty, a little bit more dressy, and something that might even fit under the cuff. This may not fit under the cuff. They do have a larger, it is larger than the 6701, extra thin. But it is still easy on the wrist. It's easier on the wrist than an RM 1103 49 millimeter watch. This one's only 38 millimeters from side to side and 47 millimeters from top to bottom. So it just sits perfectly on my wrist. Keep in mind I have mid-sized wrist again, so this watch is going to wear easily on my wrist. And it looks proper, it doesn't look too bulky. Now, if you want to know where to get this watch, we have it on our website at jazztime.com. Model reference number again is RM7201. This is the Richard Mille 7201 Lifestyle Flyback Chronograph watch in titanium. Now again, we're an online store, so you can visit us in the comfort of your own home. Go to jazztime.com, and thank you for watching.
If you want to find out more about the watch you just saw in the video, you can just click below on Show More to see the full description. Then you can check the link next to Model as seen in video, click on it, and you will get to the proper page where you can see all the details. If you're watching on a mobile phone, you have to click on the arrow down on the right hand side below the video to see the full description. If you like this video, please give us a thumbs up. If you would like to share this video with your friends, you can use the share button below and share it on any platform you like. If you have questions, constructive feedback, want to tell us about some mistakes or misspeaks, just write a comment below. If you want to see more videos like this, you should subscribe to our channel and visit our channel page where you can find all the videos. And if you're interested in a specific watch brand, you can check out our playlists. If you want to check the price for a watch or want to buy one, remember at jazztime.com you always get a steep discount, so you should check the prices with us. If you want to know the price for a specific watch, just go to Google, type in JazzTime, plus the brand, model, and the details you're interested in, and Google will find the right page for you. Thank you for watching.